The first thing we're going to do is initialize a new npm project. I don't really care about any of these, so I'll just keep hitting enter until it goes away. At the end, you should have a package.json file in place. Next up, we'll npm install the TailwindCSS and TailwindCSS CLI packages, and then create an assets directory in which we'll create a styles.css file. Inside this file, we'll import TailwindCSS, and then we'll open up package.json, go to the script section, remove the test one, and add build, which we'll call TailwindCSS, pass it our assets style CSS file as the input, and then we'll set the output to public CSS style CSS. Now, if we are to open the terminal and run the build command, we should see a public CSS style CSS file in our project. Let's also go back here and add a watch command as well. This is the exact same command as before, but with a -- watch at the end. If we run it, we'll see Tailwind waiting for changes. So if we go to our style CSS file, add a custom class and hit save, Tailwind will recompile and our class will be added to the output styles. Alright, we have Tailwind in place, we need some HTML and some Golang. I'll create an assets templates directory, and inside it we'll have a home HTML file. I'll open it up, add some boilerplate, and very important, load our public CSS style CSS file. So this is our HTML page. I'll add some amazing content, and then we'll open the terminal and initialize a new Go module. I'll create a command web directory, and inside it we'll have main.go. There we'll have package main, func main, and the first thing we'll do is load the home template from the assets templates directory. Then we'll create a mux, add a root get handler, which we'll simply call home template execute, and pass it the response writer and nil as the template data. Finally, we'll create a server listening to port 8000 and handling all requests through the muxer. We'll print some info message and then listen serve to start the server. So we are loading the home template, have a mux with a root route, and then starting the server on port 8000. If we run this and go in the browser, we surely see our home template. Alright, we're serving HTML, but we need a file server to serve the CSS file. We'll create a file server pointing to the public directory, and then we'll add a route that catches everything starting with public and points it to the file server. Here we are stripping the public prefix because we already have it in the route pattern. Otherwise, we'll end up having public twice in our URLs. If we run Tailwind, start the server, go in the browser and refresh, we see the font changing to sans serif, which indicates the CSS file is loaded. To make it even more clear, we can open the home page, add a red background, restart the server, go in the browser, refresh, and there we go. Tailwind is definitely up and running.